Hey guys, last day ng family and we decided to surprise them, the kids, and go to Chessington World of Adventures here in the UK. So think of Enchanted Kingdom, parang ganon. So madami siyang rides and as you can see, sobrang entertaining for the kids, sobrang happy nila. We went there and merong mga photos. They also give you like a QR code after each ride na pwede mong i-download. So example of the photos here. Ito, meron silang mga roller coasters na very, I don't know, kid, teen friendly pwedeng-pwedeng i-try ng mga kids.
My husband's a bit evil. Know what he's gonna do? We have a water pump and some unsuspecting victims. He's evil.
So, hindi lang rides meron sa Chessington and meron din silang Zufari para meron kayong experience to see the animals. Like here, makikita natin yung giraffe. Sobrang saya niya, sobrang entertaining. And marami pa kayong animals na makikita. And kasama sa Zufari, yung parang pagpasok sa cave, tapos merong parang light show. Nakita nyo naman, o diba? Sayang-saya si Mickey. Kahit medyo inaantok na siya. And then, meron ding mga shows. Check nyo lang yung app. Meron silang app that you guys can download para makita nyo yung mga show times, meron kayong meet and greet, meron silang Paw Patrol area, and then as you can see dito, super excited ako. First time ko makakita ng totoong reindeer. So, ayan. Sobrang daming pwedeng gawin sa Chessington and I would suggest include this in your next visit.